Welcome to our review video of the German colposcope Karl Kaps SOM 52. In this video, we will review the equipment, installation, technical features and startup of the colposcope. So, let's start. The main part of the colposcope: the pen arm with integrated lighting unit and the swivel arm with integrated balancing mechanism. The colposcope stand is inserted into the rolling base. The swivel arm is fixed on the stand and secured with screws. In order to loosen the movement of the colposcope arms in the horizontal axis, we need to loosen the screw. After that, we take the light guide and connect it to the lamp. The first stage is completed. Now, the stand and the main part of the colposcope have been assembled. Let's move on to the optical part. First, we should set the head of the colposcope. It is set in a special slot and secured with a screw. This colposcope goes with a video system, so the video system has to be connected first. It is connected via a beam splitter. The beam splitter is fixed in the special grooves on the optical part itself and tightened with a screw. Then we need to install the phototube for the CMOS camera. When the tube has been installed, all we have to do is connect the video camera. The video system has been installed. To complete the connection of the video system, electrical wires must be plugged in. Plugging in the HDMI cable. One end is connected to the camera itself, and the other end is connected either directly to the monitor or to a computer using a video capture device. Now we take the power supply unit. The power supply is to be plugged in using a special adapter. The power supply base is plugged in into the socket. Installation of the binocular tube. The tube is installed into the special grooves and fixed with a microscrew. The tube has been installed. We now have to set the ergonomic 360 handle. The ergonomic handle can be set on either the right or the left-hand side. The handle is fixed in special holes with 2 screws and tightened with a hexagon. The optical part has been assembled. Now we have to attach the light guide. The light guide is connected from below the optical part and tightened with a screw. Now the colposcope has been assembled and is ready for use. The Karl Kaps SOM 52 is a binocular colposcope with expert German optics, and it is very ergonomic in handling. The body of the colposcope is made of metal, which makes it stable and durable. The color of the colposcope can be any color you choose, beside the standard gray. This colposcope model is mobile. It has a 5-wheel rolling base. The wheels are equipped with stoppers, which are necessary to fix the colposcope in place. This is the lighting unit of the colposcope. It can optionally be LED or halogen lighting. This colposcope has a halogen one. There are 2 lamps in the colposcope unit. In case one lamp is burnt out, you can use the second one. To do this, you should switch over the light guide from one colposcope slot to the other one. Very simple. After this, you must switch on the colposcope and the light will go on. The height of the colposcope is set with one hand. To fix it on the required height, simply tighten the screw. The arm of the colposcope also moves horizontally. In order to fix the arm in place or to loosen it, there is a similar screw. The head of the colposcope rotates 360 degrees on itself. It has its own adjusting screw in order to fix it in the position you need. We can turn this screw in order to loosen the colposcope head or, in the contrary, to fix it. Besides that, the head of the colposcope can be inclined and straightened back. The Karl Kaps SOM 52 can be also equipped with a fine focus mechanism. The 15mm focus is placed on the lens. The 40mm focus is below the colposcope head. The mechanism is adjusted using the special adjustment head. This is how the head of the colposcope can move forwards and backwards. The 40mm focusing mechanism can be either mechanical or motorized, controlled by a button. This system makes it possible to examine objects at various distances from the objective lens without moving the colposcope itself. The magnification unit can be 3-step, 5-step, smooth 1:6 or motorized 1:6. This colposcope we are showing you has a 5-step magnification unit. The magnification is changed using a special screw, till it goes click. Maximum and minimum magnification depends on the eyepieces and objective lens selected. There is a built-in green light filter on the head of the colposcope. In order to turn it on, you must move the lever which is under the lens. The colposcope can be optionally equipped with a video system. The video system makes it possible to stream video to the monitor. Besides that, the video system can be connected to a laptop to work with the software and maintain the patient database. Binoculars in the colposcope can be inclined 45 degrees or straight. The interpillary distance can be adjusted manually or mechanically using the screw. The eyepieces have a diopter adjustment which allows doctors with poor eyesight to work without glasses. All Karl Kaps colposcopes are assembled manually in Germany and can be upgraded with extra features even after purchase. This makes Karl Kaps colposcopes unique.